Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick unboxing. This arrived yesterday, but I wasn't home to get it, so I had to go pick it up from one of those UPS centers, and it has another box inside. So, I guess there's no like really telltale... Oh, there we go. I'm not sure if it gives it away, but maybe the box size does. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look, I ordered a Jellica Sil pack. Now, here, let's pull this out. So, everybody knows that I've been using these two notebooks. I started in this pocket notebook, and then I went to this. So I started using this clear one. And then right around the same time, I ordered this and this Mystics Little Gifts in the bourbon. And I'm loving the Mystics Little Gift. It's a beautiful notebook. It's a great leather. It smells amazing. But I had ordered this, and it is, dun, 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 it is a Filofax in the Domino. And it is pocket-sized, and it is the fawn leather. So, first of all, look how beautiful that is. It's such a nice, it's a leather, but then you also can feel that there's something like reinforcing it, so it has a little bit more structure. It's not floppy. Oop, protector. It's not floppy like the, what's the other Filofax? Like the Malden line, those tend to be a little bit floppier. This is much more sturdy. And let's see what all it has inside. So first of all, there's a pocket here. And then we'll flip past the inserts. And there's a pocket over here. And there's also a pen lip. So it also has one of the, like, PV silica gel top loading pockets. It has a Filofax Today marker, and this has the Filofax, if I can take this off, so let's take what I have in my Mystics Little Gifts, and let's put that in here. Ooh. So the first thing I have is a dashboard, and I made it just a little too big, but that's okay. Then the first thing I have is the monthly section, the monthly section. I got some vellum, and then these are the Peanuts Planner Co. inserts. They're just the standard month on 2-page, and we're almost to September. Then this next section is the weekly, and again I'm using the Peanuts Planner Co. And what I might do is I might end up cutting this and doing a quick flip through. Okay, so now we're back, and I have everything in this beautiful, beautiful notebook. I've never had a leather Filofax before. The only one I've ever had is the Saffiano. So let's take a look to see what I have in here. And for right now, we'll just put that in there. And look, it's perfect size. Okay, so this is a leather, and there's a sort of a cardboard type material in there. So it'll Oop, that's my tea from today. So I want to put my writing board in there. I think it looks cute. It's got trains on it. I like trains. Okay, so here is my dashboard that I made that's just a little bit too tall, but it fits in my Ollie clip. Here's my first divider that I made with September of 2017's kit from Cocoa Daisy, and that's from this summer. But I have the Peanuts, oh, there's my tea. I have my Peanuts Planner Co. Month on 2 pages, and we are almost in September. And then I realized this is this September's washi, but I used last September's kit, so I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with this. Then here's my second divider. I love that. But this week I'm using a different, here, let me take this out so you can see. I'm using a different Peanuts Planner Co. insert. I'm doing the week on 2 pages with the flaps. And the flaps have these like to-do type lists and some note pages and even some more stuff here as well. As you can see, we're working on updating some inserts for next year, and I'm doing a major purge of my traveler's notebooks. I put a ton away that I haven't been using, and I think just yesterday alone I sold 7 Sojourners. And I'm happy that they're going to homes, forever homes, that they are going to be loved. So this is the weekly that I think I'm going to use for the month. And what I have in here is my divider that I made, which has my Tuesday student schedule, because that's my craziest day. Oh, and I have, like all of the others, a grid note page with more detail about to-dos that I need to get done. And so then I have these just simply dated for the remainder of the month of September. And there we go. Then the next thing I have in here are the dailies, but I haven't been using these. If I have a good weekly view with what I need to do or where I need to go, I necessarily don't need these. And you'll see I've got 2 different types. And then here are my, we've been grocery tracking, and I think I have a Whole Foods receipt from tonight that I have to put in here so we can track what we spend and everything. And then I'm in the process of planning my fall planner lineup video, and these are some of the things that I'm using and what I'm using them for. Some Peaky Dory design ideas, and I love it because I can then, these are ideas I had when I was out and about and not at home, and then I can take these and put them in the Peaky Dory design traveler's notebook that I have. It's a ring binder that I have, a design that I created. This is notes from our new letter month on 2 pages. That's all about taxes and fun stuff. Some of my color coding, and then I was taking some notes on different things. And then here's a list of notebooks that I have for sale, and then some extra blank. I need to print some more grid. Now here's my little folder. I don't have anything in it. Actually, these can go here for right now. They're little to-dos. I did have receipts in there, but then those got migrated. There's again my student schedule, and then I have a little sheet in here for each student and if they showed up to their lesson and what we're working on for the semester. So I've got all of those. Then my cute little note paper. I'm not sure what to put in this bag, this little top-loading pocket. And then I've got some more Cocoa Daisy Post-its in the back. So, and the Foxy Fix page lifter. So that's all of the stuff that I have, and of course my favorite Muji pen. So that's all of the stuff that I have in my Domino. And I think the rings on this might be just a little bit bigger. Because it feels to be a little bit more compact, or maybe it's longer. I don't know. They're both beautiful 6-ring binders, and I have an option now of what to use. I've got my original clear one, I've got my Mystic's Little Gifts, and I got my new Filofax Domino. Foxy is sending me one, so that should be here, in 20 to 30 business days, and we'll see what I think about that. That might be the one I use for, I'm going to use this one for, I'm going to go between these two actually, let's be real, for the month of September, and then I have one coming that will be perfect for October, for a special Cocoa Daisy kit that I'll be using. So I'm going to link where I got this on Amazon. I got it on Amazon for $17 and change, and it's a Filofax, and it came from the UK, so it did take about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here. But I mean, you can't beat that price for a Filofax. So I will link Filofax, I will link Mystic's Little Gifts, and I will even link Amazon, where I got this beautiful pocket plastic ring binder, because this is what started my obsession with this, and I'm actually really loving this notebook because I've been using this. I've been using my Foxy Fix, there's my Kermit. I've been using my Foxy Fix as my wallet, and this for my personal planning. So it's been a interesting change up. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And let me know, are you using a pocket ring planner? Have you thought of using a pocket ring planner? Or are you using a micro? Because I know a lot of people use the micro because it's so compact. And just share down below what you're using so we can all see and compare and find new things to help us organize our days. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.